Everybody fucking cousins. With weird ass names. Fucking Jim Bob and Blue Bob. I was like, what the fuck kind of name? I didn't think about it back then, but now I'm like, what the fuck? Be a foul, but that'd be another round. What the fuck was the hat? Some big ass like streak went across the sky and hit the door in front of me, about killed me. Aliens, man. Aliens try to attack me. You think it's a really bad time to walk out in front of me? Yeah. That man head pop.
Shut up. Sorry. My bad.
Hell, man. I'm jumping, man. You died anyway. Guess I'll load. He jumped in here like a crazy person, and I shot at him. But I missed every single shot, and then the guy came through the door and I killed him. And I was like, what the fuck are you doing? He was like, but I'm fucking kind of jumping, man. And then he walked through the other side and died anyway, right in front of me. I was like, what the fuck?
Yo, where's Pyro at?
Oh, stay next. They have a box now.
I'm just kidding.
Visor, yeah. You want to sit here? You definitely can. Got these? No? Alright, bye-bye. Try me nice. Get an RPK if you want to see her, you definitely can. I'll go in the kitchen. I don't give a fuck. I'll get more kills over there anyway. You're gonna, well...
You don't have a gas mask, get to the first floor.
Just don't move so much.
Also, don't clog doorways, please.
To you.
No, I keep walking around, man. I'm waiting for him to fucking die. Well, it's the first time somebody walked out the door, they got shot in the fucking face. So I was like, well, there you go. That's what happened. Couldn't see. He started swinging. Ah. How could you see 5 foot now? I think it's fast. Got through. Loading. Sorry, man.
Good job, Twinkle Toes. Twinkle Toes.
The small guys can outlive the big guys if you want to shoot them. Time. Fuck out my face, bitch. Get the fuck out my face. I got time for that today. Since the clock struck half past 2, watching cigarette smoke dance slowly, like it still belongs to you. There's roses on the piano after midnight, dying quietly in crystal light. Funny how dare you, you fucking troglodyte little bastard. Always seem to spend the night. The one who do the smoke, the one who tickles the toes.
Still crazy, man.
See? He's from the antediluvian era. Hey, fuck you too then! Come back in his room.
Blinded on a bat now after that.
I'll stab you. Got spirit. Bad time. Good job, Bobcat. Get him. As soon as you fucking peeked around the corner, there's a guy there. Who was that? Oh, shit, out of the room. He was attacked by? I don't know.
Nice toss, nice toss.
Hit him when you get the box. Shit, gotta go to the box.
Still burns beneath my skin. Now the room keeps pouring
No.
while the blues pour in.
I'm waiting a few more seconds. You won't respawn. Try to make it painless. You gotta get it moving. Hey. Come on.
Rich men breaking slowly behind and me. I learned to they arrived to change your
I call it truce if you got to stand.
every whiskey soaked confession still
Took us out of the room, so he kept running in here. I was like, alright, fine. I'm just waiting a few more seconds so you ain't gonna respawn. He tried to shoot me, so I stabbed him. And then he pulled out a knife and, oh, you're good, man. He tried to stab me, so I shot me and ran away. Gotta shoot him in the corner. Gotta. There you go. Let me see this thing. You bastard. You're lucky. I was gonna shoot you for RPGX, man. Fair enough. That man's fucking kneecaps out. He fell over, headbutted the goddamn ground. Hey, calm down, friend. At least wait 30 seconds so he can't come back.
Bobcat, please move. You're door blocking.
Yeah, got to man. You know what, you asshole. Got a creepy guy, what is that? Yeah, lone grip. Yeah. Good deal. I was just curious. Why would you do such a thing? I think you did it right. They're not gonna hold it now, probably. Well, I got a bayonetta in here. Hold up. Where the fuck did that shit come from? Oh, wait, 7. He's just out there where we can see a lot of them. So they're gonna die probably. And, this guy's trying to hold my spot, Pain. Look at him. Look at X-Man. He gonna do it. This is what he's gonna do it. I was being optimistic. No. That's what he's gonna do it. I see you reloading already. What the fuck? He shot that man in the dick. That's right, reloading already. He shoots way too fucking much. Yeah. Think of time got noggin knocker. He got 25 hit shots. It was 7 for me with you. Or who knows? Nah, he only got 5, so you got the most. Insurgency 1, round Toxa.